You were waiting at the bar, said you hadn't come that far. Got us both a G&T and then said all the best. We went and found a corner seat. I sat looking at my feet, then I looked up and caught you looking at my chest. Well, you can look as much as you want, keep your hands to yourself. The only thing allowed to wander is your mind. One thing I am sure, we've both been here before. Neither of us know just who we'll find. You smiled and raised your glass, said it's good to meet at last. I knew we would, but didn't know quite when. The internet is fine, I guess, but in the flesh is best. I stared down at my feet again. Well, you can look as much as